In this video, I'll show you how to enable ghost mode on Snapchat. If you want to get into the ghost mode on Snapchat just by hiding your location, then here's how you can actually do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat, you just should open up the Snapchat application from your Android or iPhone. And from the home page, go and tap on this profile icon at the top right. And from here, just need to scroll down a little bit. You'll get to see the Snap Map. You just need to tap on this. And here it's going to show you your current location. You just need to tap on this settings icon at the top right. And you'll get to see the first option, ghost mode. Here it says when enabled, your friends can see your location. You can enable this and you can select your preferred time, 3 hours, 24 hours, and until turn off. So you can select your preferred one. So I'm going to select until I turn off. And once you do that, ghost mode will be enabled. Now if you're not disabled, you can come to the same place and disable this option from here. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.